Guys, oh my gosh, I could not contain myself right now. I'm super excited. It's Julianne San Jose. She just released her entry for Choose Philippines Challenge, which is a trend right now, and her video is currently trending and blowing up. I could not wait to watch this. Without further ado, guys, let's go check this out. So pretty, Julianne! Oh, she's taking off her makeup. Simplifying. Hey! Ang ganda. Oh! Ah! Yes, of course! Maria Clara! Ang ganda! Great! I was really having visuals right now. Oh, dang! She made us all proud with this video, guys. I'm telling you, the way she put her hand to her chest at the end of the video and looked so proud as a woman, a Filipina, it's just a proud moment. Oh my gosh. I need to watch it again, guys. It's just too fast, pero it was full of detail. And of course, talagang pinakita niya ang gandang Pilipina, and yung mukhang to, hindi nakakasawa yung ganda niya. So, let's watch it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tinanggal yung lipstick, yung eyelashes, and yung contact lenses. Ang ganda niya, grabe. Freak, oh my gosh. Filipina beauty. Ganyan, oh. Pa. Ganda ng shots. I would say this is one of the best, if not the best, entry for this challenge. Talagang pinilabutan ako. Sobrang ganda, effortless ang ganda, and my message. She was trying to say na maganda tayo bilang Pilipino or bilang isang Pilipina dahil tinanggal niya yung mga makeup eh. Talagang natural. So, really good job here, Julianne, and thank you sa team mo na sobrang pulido din gumawa, malinis, and talagang may impact tong video mo. Great job.